What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. We're here on location today. We're at Diamond Customs here in Oaks, Pennsylvania, and they have a car here for us to do today. They specialize in detailing, ceramic coating, things like that. So they have a customer car in here that has a dent in it. I'll show you what we have here. We have a 2019 Porsche Macan. Pretty cool color. You get 10 points if you can name the color of this car. But anyway, what we got is a dent right here on the back door. It's a pretty good shot right where that flat spot is, but you can kind of see it goes over the body line down low and the body line up top there. So we'll take our time with it, heat it up, start working it. We'll probably just go in through the electrical outlet in the back side of the door there. Just touch it with we have the different ultra tools here, some rubber tips and then metal tips. We'll just take it slow, start working it as we normally do, and we'll take you through the process. Let's get going. Okay, been working with it for a while now. It's coming up nice. I'll show you what we got. So right up top on this spot, there's actually like a piece of caulk or something holding that bracing in. So it's coming out nice. It's just I'm gonna have to do a little fine tuning, keep working it slow. You can see it's flattened out now. Most of the deepness is out, but we'll get it going. We'll keep going, just taking it slow. We've got the heat gun out. Just keep heating it up so the paint doesn't crack, and work the process. Okay, we are all finished up. It came out perfect, no problems. Like I said, it took a little while with that piece of caulk there, but you can see everything is back to normal. It came out really, really nice. I think the customer will be happy with it. I'm happy with the results, so we'll move on to the next one. And hopefully you guys like the video. If you can, like, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.